Hello, and today I'm going to talk about my legendary pickups, Cronus. So these pickups I've had in my guitar for now around about a year. I helped not design, but I spoke to Jason from Legendary, telling him what I want, and collaboratively we kind of came up with these. I've got another video explaining what they do, etc. So if you haven't seen, go check that out. I'll link it below, or you can just see my other videos. I don't have many. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to run through some sounds like clean, lead, crunch, heavy stuff, everything in between, just messing about. I'm going to try and do it naturally so that you can kind of see I'm playing, I'm not processing anything. So all I'm doing is guitar straight into Kemper into Focusrite 18i20, and I'm controlling the Kemper using the rig manager just to switch through tones quickly. So what I'm going to do is basically start with a clean tone, try and talk you through what I'm doing. Just for reference, I have this switch here, which is a coil split switch. It's the 2 outward coils, and I have a 3-way. So for most of the cleans, I prefer to use the middle position split. That's my favourite position, but we'll get to that. I think what we'll do is we'll just start playing. So let's go for it. So here's just a Diesel VH4 clean. Hopefully it's not got too many effects on it. I doubt it has, but let's see. So that's better. There we go. Middle position, both pickups now. Now the neck position. So I'm going to split them and I'm going to go back there. So this is the neck position, split. Middle position, my favourite, which I would say. And now, excuse the nose, it's spring. The neck. Let's mess up a wee bit now and go for something with a wee bit of effects on it. So this is a Mesa dual rectifier studio clean, kind of Dream Theater-ish kind of thing. position, the middle position now. Yep, okay, so let's go on to some leads now. We're going to just go on to the neck pickup, full humbucker. Neck, bridge pickup. Yeah, it does lead brilliantly, it just sings, so let's put it onto the neck pickup. See the yes, it works really well. I really like it for that. The cleans are just insane. The leads are just insane on these pickups. Yeah, I'm honestly blown away by them for the leads. I'm not a really massive lead player, but it just works so well. So now what I'm going to do is just go back onto the bridge pickup and just go for something that's got not as much gain, but a wee bit. Brilliant again. Now I'm just going to go on to something that I would use on a day-to-day basis, something quite heavy. But yeah, that's your legendary pickups, Cronus. That's basic sounds. Anything else you'd like to hear, give me a shout. I'll probably do some. This is in standard tuning. I have them in my mayonnaise, which is in drop B or drop A sharp, which I'll do another video on, pretty similar to it. Hope you enjoyed this. If you like it, give it a like down below, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know what I can improve on videos and such. So just talk to me down below. I like chatting. Yeah, if you want to know what profiles I've used, ask me then as well. Okay, right. Thank you. Bye bye.